Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer real estate listings with Zillow, beginner guide step by step clearly. To transfer real estate listings with Zillow, begin by visiting the Zillow website. Log into your Zillow account using your credentials. Navigate to the Manage Listings section on your account dashboard. Select the option to add or transfer listings. If you're transferring listings from another platform, locate the Import option. Follow the prompts to connect your existing real estate account. You may need to enter API keys or authorization codes from the other platform. Once the connection is established, choose the listings you wish to transfer. Review the listing details carefully to ensure accuracy. Make any necessary adjustments to property descriptions or images. Confirm that all relevant information, such as pricing and contact details, is included. After verifying the listings, click on the Transfer button. Zillow will process the transfer, which may take a few moments. Once the transfer is complete, you will receive a notification. Check your Zillow profile to ensure all listings appear correctly. If you notice any discrepancies, return to the Manage Listings section to make corrections. Finally, monitor your listings for any updates or inquiries from potential buyers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.